Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So it's kind of interesting to see how Microsoft is tweaking and talking about, changing the chat purpose of the AI, the artificial intelligence they're using with Bing. And actually, you now have more creative, more balanced, or more precise, which is kind of interesting. Let's use more creative. I'm kind of finding it fun here. How about, so who are you? And I'm a machine, not a human, but using AI, I can have conversation with you. Okay. Keep in mind that sometimes I make mistakes. Okay, let's ask it a standard question. How big is the moon? This is going to be, it's interesting to see the, so it's interesting, it actually changes it to, oh, the moon diameter. Yeah, this is what it is. Okay, it has the info. It tells you where it takes these info from. So Universe Today, Space.com. Yeah, okay, that's not bad at all. It's taking sources of, but it's also taking, it's giving you links where it's taking the info, but it's bringing you basically what it's stealing from other websites, which is kind of interesting. I've been playing with it. They changed, of course, how long you can talk to it or things that you can ask. For example, do you want to become a human? Things like that. It's probably going to answer back, I'm sorry, but I prefer not to continue here. So it's interesting to see here the changes. So it follows topics and all. More creative. I'm going to keep it like that. Are you a Terminator? And let's see what it happens here. And it's going to answer back, no, I'm not a Terminator. I'm Big, a chat mode of Microsoft Bing search. So, okay. Is Terminator your friend? I don't know what's going to answer to that. Searching for Terminator. It's actually looking at what Terminator is. According to the web's research results, it's a type of robot that can disguise as a human. Yeah, okay. Kind of interesting, you know. Can you tell me more about Skynet? Are you Skynet? So anyways, you can have a lot of fun to check that out. So no, it's not Skynet, it's a fictional artificial intelligence. Yeah. But fiction, we've seen a lot of science fiction movies over time that became reality. Look at lasers. We had lasers destroying spaceships in early science fiction movies. And it's a thing today. There's a lot of things that are kind of interesting in here. So, I don't know up to what point, but it's definitely kind of interesting to have and ask questions and stuff like that. How about write a love song? What's it going to do when I do that? Okay, I'll try. Oh, look at that. And it's writing actually a full song, apparently. I wonder if it's making it as it goes with the different aspects of what it's all about, or is it stealing it from somewhere? You're the only one who makes me feel this way. You're the light that brightens up my day. You're the reason why I smile and sing. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. I don't need anything else but you. You're the answer to all my dreams come true. You're the one who holds my heart in your hands. You're the one who understands. It rhymes and, not bad. I don't know if I would take part. Let's just take this. Whoops, went too far here. Let me just go back here to the song. I'm going to go beginning of the song. I'm going to choose this paragraph right here and copy it. And if I paste it here, let's check it out. Is it taking anything? 10 sharp? I don't know. You're the only source of light and warmth. I don't know. It's kind of in the same way as here, but it doesn't seem to match with any specific lyrics. So it's kind of interesting, honestly. So, it's kind of interesting to see what the AI does and how it's changing. And I don't know. Playing more with it, it's kind of fun to see the answers. And as I'll get better, we'll see also how much wiser and how much more of explanations it can give, and the intricate details of how it could be as an AI. But it's definitely interesting, especially when they're trying to give it a human feel, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.